All right, question number 3. We want to simplify this radical expression. And normally, or let me just say, when you're doing addition and subtraction, whatever is underneath the square root has to be the same. When you do multiplication and division, it does not have to be. Okay, so what we are looking at, we have the cube root of z to the 7th, and then we are multiplying that by the 9th root of z to the 6th. Okay, so we're going to go backwards. We're going to take that property that we saw that took a rational exponent and made it into a radical expression, and we're going to go backwards. Because what we're going to be using is the same base. When we're multiplying with exponents, we're going to add them. Okay, so I need to rewrite this as the fractional part. So remember, whatever was on the outside is the denominator of your exponent, rational exponent. So we have z, the 7 is on top, divided by 3. Okay, so this is how you rewrite that. And then with the z 6 to the 9th power, this is going to be z, 6 is on top, 9 on the bottom. Okay, so what I want to do is same base, I'm going to add these exponents. Now, problem is, I got two different denominators. But what I noticed is the 6 and 9 are both divisible by 3, so I want to reduce those. So if I divide both of these by 3, top and bottom, what we end up with, this is 2 over 3. Okay, so the actual problem that I'm looking at is z, 7 divided by 3 power, times z, and this is 2 over 3 power, to the 2/3 power. Now, same base, we're going to add the exponent, so I'm just going to be adding these two. So I have z as my base. Since we have the same denominator, I'm just going to write one fraction with 3 on the bottom. I want to do 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 gives us z to the 9/3 power. And then if we reduce this, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So my final answer is going to be z to the 3rd power. Okay, so that's how you would simplify and combine these two radicals, z to the 3rd power. So I'm going to type z on my keyboard, go to math, this option with the exponent. Okay, so you can also, instead of doing it like that, if you type z and then the number 6 has this symbol. If you look at on your keyboard, 6 has this little symbol which means raised to a power. So you have to hit shift and then 6. So I'm going to do that here. If I do shift 6, that box pops up for me and I can just type it in instead of having to go to the keyboard every time. So I'm going to type in 3 and then that's what we need.